Hey guys, so today is the day of the KSI Logan Paul fight. I've bought it on pay-per-view. I'm so hoping that KSI wins. We're gonna do some dupes while I'm waiting for the fight to come on. In the meantime, they got like the other fights which are sprinkled in between. So let's just talk about some makeup. Okay, so first of all we have the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer versus the Becca Backlight Primer Filter. So the Physicians Formula is $14.99 and the Becca Primer is $38. I haven't yet tried anything from Physicians Formula, but if I was into glowy makeup, I would probably try the Illuminating Primer by Physicians Formula. As you guys know, I'm not really into glowy makeup and I try to stay away from it. I think the only thing that I like about glow when it comes to makeup is highlight. Like, I'm cool for a highlight. I think because I can sometimes get a little bit oily throughout the day, I don't feel like there's a need for me to have like dewy primers and foundations and stuff like that. But if you were looking for a dewy primer, there you go. Then we have a dupe of the new Nikkie Tutorials Cloud9 highlighter, and we have Pink Icicles by Beauty Bar Baby. I don't know who Beauty Bar Baby are. This is the first time I've ever hearing about them or hearing of them. This looks really cute. This looks really, really nice. I can't even deny it because this one's $7.99 and Cloud9 is 35 bucks. To be fair, I don't feel like the Nikkie Tutorials and Ofra collab highlighters, because there's two, there's like a blue one and there's this pink one as well. I don't feel like they're unique or anything new. It's just that they are white highlighters with like the pink shift and the blue shift, like the almost like the holographic. But you can get those in like sleek palettes, like the sleek highlighter palettes, they have those. It's like you don't have to break the bank. But yes, this is a nice dupe, I can't deny it. I do believe that this one is a dupe. $7.99, I would most definitely check out Beauty Bar Baby. Oh look, and we actually have the blue one, the Space Baby, which is the blue one, versus the Luxie Beauty Wicked, which is $7.50. This is a dupe, and this looks like the Luxie one is giving it a run for its money. Most definitely giving it a run for its money. Ooh, do you tend to wear weird colours like blues and purples and greens for highlights? I think the most that I've done is gone for a blue, like on a day-to-day situation. The most I have done is a blue, but I would like to start tampering with like colour, like different colour highlighters, like for the sake of art. Anyway, Iconic London Original Illuminating Drops, which is $42 versus the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter in Champagne, which is $9. I don't feel like this is a dupe because the Iconic London one, that looks like liquid gold. Like that looks like melted down gold swatched on this model's hand. The highlighter, the Makeup Revolution one, that just looks like a highlighter. The Iconic London one just looks like a mega highlighter, like just drench me in gold. That's what that looks like. So I guess the Makeup Revolution one will give you more of a natural kind of highlight, and the Iconic London one will be more of a beaming, blinding highlight. Don't forget the Iconic one is $42. That's a lot of money for a liquid highlight, and I don't really know a lot of people who wear liquid highlight. You really have to be invested in that kind of makeup in the first place. Anyway, so Colourpop Point Zero, which is $6.50, and the Huda Beauty Girlfriend liquid lipstick, which is $20. I don't feel like this is a dupe. The finishes are different. Huda Beauty one is matte and the Colourpop one is like, it's not matte. Not from this picture anyway. The colours, do they look the same? They look kind of similar. They do look kind of similar, but the finishes are not the same. So I'm kind of on the fence on this one. Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer, which is $9 versus the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer, which is $29. Ooh. I hear that this Born This Way concealer is really good. They have two concealers in the Born This Way range, and I kind of feel like this concealer is almost a cross between a foundation and concealer. It's like it sits in the middle. I don't know anything about the Ulta Beauty concealer, so I can't say whether or not it's good or bad or whether or not it's a dupe or not. But I guess it's always like, for $9, it's not like gonna kill you to try it out and see whether or not it's a good concealer. But you know what it is, it's like, you know, certain makeup items, you stick to your ride or die. Like once you find something which is perfect for you, you stick to it. And I feel like for me, concealers are one of those things. It's like once I found the best concealer for me, I try not to veer away from it. But that's just me. So the NYX Milan, which is $6.50 versus the Kylie Cosmetics 21 lip kit, which is $30. Do I think that these two are a dupe for one another? Not really, but I think it's because of the models who are wearing these particular shades. They are two different complexions altogether, and the way a lipstick might look on me versus how it might look on somebody else who has a fairer or deeper complexion, it's going to make the lipstick look like a completely different color. So, and I feel like that's what's happened with this, because the black girl, it makes this lipstick look like peachy pink, and it looks gorgeous on her. And the NYX one on the white girl, it just kind of looks like just pink. So they don't look the same to me. They don't look the same. I don't feel like this is a dupe. Sorry. The Morphe RSVP versus the Kylie Cosmetics Birthday Behavior, which is $7. The Morphe one is $9. I prefer the color of the Morphe one. Like that. Like that's the kind of red that I would wear if I was to ever go for a red. Like that is the kind of red that I would want to go for. The Kylie Cosmetics one, not so much. There's nothing wrong with it. I just feel like the hue of the Morphe one is so much better. And considering that Morphe have a UK store, I might get it. I think they're opening up, they have a Morphe online store. They have an online UK Morphe store. And they're going to be opening up an actual brick and mortar store here in the UK as well. So I don't know when that's gonna be, but I might pop in there once they do and get this, because that is nice. Jeez. Okay, so we're looking at some bronzer highlight brushes. The only two which really look similar are the NARS and the Japanesque ones, because like literally the shape of the brush, the style of the brush, like with the winding string around it, those two look like dupes. The Luxie Beauty Tapered Highlighter Brush, that one doesn't look like it has the exact same shape as the other ones, but I understand that it has the domed bit at the top. And the Wet n Wild Bronzer Brush, yes, it just looks like a smaller version of the Japanesque and NARS one. And when it comes to brushes, it's like, because I have a makeup brush brand myself, and I have tons of brushes obviously for research purposes, I know that natural hair versus synthetic hair, there's a difference, and then there's a difference between certain synthetic hairs as well. So even though they're the same shape, whether or not they all perform the same is a completely different story. But you do have the Wet n Wild bronzer brush, which is $7.99, and the rest of them are ridiculously highly priced for what they are. $55 for the NARS brush, like, you're crazy. Ugh. Anyway, so the NYX Cherry Skies, which is $6.99 versus the Kylie Cosmetics Victoria, which is $36. I don't feel like this is a dupe at all, but I like the NYX Cherry Skies. Like that is just that deep red. Oh my gosh. But I don't feel like this is a dupe at all. Sorry. So e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist, which is $8 versus the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow. This I believe is a new product, but this one's $30. Yo. I know that the Too Faced one has like watermelon in it or something like that. It's part of the Tutti Frutti collection. So if you are into dewy finishing sprays, you have your option. Anastasia Beverly Hills Peach Nectar versus the MUA Radiant Cashmere, which is $3.85. I do feel like these are dupes in regards to the color, but the MUA one looks kind of glittery. I don't know if it's like the picture is taken too close up so it looks glittery, but from this picture it looks kind of glittery, and I'm not really into glittery highlights. I like shimmery highlights. They're completely different. Yeah, in regards to color, I would say yes, they are a dupe, but the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, the finish looks a little bit more shimmery than glittery. So those are all of the dupes that I had to share with you. Do you think that these are dupes? Are any of these ones you want to check out? Let me know. You heard me talking about those red lipsticks, and you know I don't really do red. You know I don't do red lips, but I'm kind of interested in those two reds that I saw, so I might check them out. Who knows? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.